Hello, how is it going out there, my people? This is Jackson back at you with another video. In this video, I am going to talk about Robinhood, of course. Let me see if I can get in here. Now, as you notice, let me see. Let's go back to 1 day mark. Okay, here. All right, here we go. Not live. All right, 1 day mark. No, let's not do one more. Let's do a week ago, okay? So, as you can see, there has been an increase in my portfolio, and I am solely invested in cryptos. I used to trade traditional stocks. I'm not really interested. Well, I wouldn't say I'm not really interested in traditional stocks anymore. My focus is mainly cryptos. So I want to go back to January the 24th, which was a week ago. Okay, my account was at 32.25, and today, which is the 30th, I'm at 41.96. Now, I'm only showing you guys this just so you know the same thing that happened in traditional stocks can also happen with cryptos, okay? And I believe, and I truly believe, you can make more money in cryptos than you could in traditional stocks. And you can make more money in cryptos in a small amount of time. Whereas with traditional stocks, it may take you a while. Now, I'm going to change it to 1 month, okay? If you noticed here, there has been an increase on the weekly chart, monthly chart, the 3 month chart. Now look at this 3 month chart here. Let's go back to November the 6th. November the 6th, these were two high points right here. November the 6th and November the 10th. These were very two high points. On the 6th, it was at $39.93, and on the 10th, it was at $40.07. Okay. And then it went all the way down and it bottomed here at $23.95. Now, 3 months ago, my account was all the way down at $23.95. All right, which is something I don't pay attention to. When stocks go down, I never, well, not stocks, but when cryptocurrencies go down, I never pay attention to it because I'm in it for the long run, and I know what's going to happen. I've had dreams about what's going to happen, and if you notice here, this is like a W, for win. Like this could be like the first line of the W, and it just kind of draws itself. This is a formula that you would see within the stock market when things are bullish, okay? And when things are not bullish, you will see a M, which is kind of like this little small letter right here. You see that M right there? Like this would be the first line, and then it goes up, come down, goes up, and then it go all the way down. See, this was a signal letting us know that the market was about to go down. But if you see this big old W right here, this very big W right here, this is letting you know we're going to go way up. We're going to go way up. How far up? I don't know, but I know it's way up. And also on this graph here, you can see the small W's. If you notice, you can see the small W's forming as well. Okay. Now, a year ago, if you notice here, this is when the market fell. I want to say around July the 19th, 2019. And it just kind of consolidate. This is what you call a consolidation period right here. Kind of like what's next? Like we're going to make a decision on what we're going to do next. And it's taking a long time to make that decision. But one thing I can almost guarantee you people, it's not going to go down here. The markets won't go down here. It's going to go up. I want to guarantee you guys this, but I have to be careful with what I say, okay? But it's going to go back up. Now, I'm going to take you to the all graph right here. If you pay very close attention, starting here, July 19, 2019, if you pay very close attention, that line is starting to turn. It's starting to turn going upward. If you can just pay real close attention, it's actually starting to turn and go upward. And when it goes upward, my people, you see this top right here? You see this top, which was April the 5th, 2019? It's going to go past there. It's going to go past there. And I mean way past there. So cryptos are up. And you have to remember that it's two things going on right now in the world. You got cryptocurrencies and you have traditional stocks. When traditional stocks are down, cryptocurrencies are up. So if you wanted to play both markets, which is the cryptocurrency market and the traditional stocks market, that's a benefit to whoever. That's a benefit to whoever. You would just need to know when to get in and when to get out. Sort of like day trading, and a little bit of swing trading. Me, I'm long term. I'm what you call long term trading. Okay. Now, you could let's look at Litecoin, for instance. Okay. Look at Litecoin, for instance. Just look at that. This was today. This was today. Look at that increase. Today alone. All right, let's go back. At 1:15 a.m. this morning, Litecoin was at $59 and let's go back, 21 cents. Okay. At 1:15 a.m. this morning. Right now is at 67.86. But if you go to its highest point today, which was at 3:35 this afternoon, it was at $70.10. $70.10. Okay. Which basically means it's up $10.26. All right. That's a lot, people. Look at those sevens. 777. That's a lot, people. Now let's look at the 1 week mark. There has been a steady increase in cryptos. And it's going to continue to go up, and it's going to continue to go up and continue to go up and continue to go up. It's not going to stop. It's going to reverse and go down, but that's because markets have to retrace. They have to retrace themselves. So they have to go up, come back down, go up, come back down, go up, come back down. But ultimately, it's either making higher highs or higher lows. And in this case, for instance, the cryptocurrencies are making higher highs, not higher lows. All right, I'll give you an example, okay? I'll give you an example. Just give me a second here. I'll give you an example. Let me see here. All right, I'll use this graph. I'll use this chart. Now, here is a low. Here is a low. Here is a low. Here is a low. And right here is a low. So I know you get the picture now. Those are lows. This is a high. 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 And of course, that's a high. Now, if you notice on these lows, each low is higher than the last low. First low, second low, it's higher. Third low, it's higher. Fourth low, it's higher. This low is lower, but it's what we call a retrace. But if you notice, look at this W. The first wing, middle, and then the third wing. Look at that W. That's letting you know that the market is going up, people. And ultimately, this last low here is higher than 1, 2, and 3. Well, actually, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I just wanted to, kind of just bring that to you guys' attention, about how this thing works. They're pretty much the same, but just on, I would say, a higher level. And I would also go as far to say, it's to me, ultimately, it's better. It's better, people. Look at the 1 month right here where it says $25.47. This cryptocurrency, this particular cryptocurrency, Litecoin, it's up $25.40 for the past month. It's up $25, people. $25, and it only costs $67. All right, let's head back out. Let's look at let me see here. Let's look at Stellar, which is XLM. All right, let's look at the past month. Okay, so no, that's not a good demonstration. It's not a good demo. Let's see, BTH. Okay, so they don't really have anything. I wanted to look at something a little smaller, on a smaller scale, but people can better understand instead of working with the larger numbers. But I'll use Litecoin. I'll use Litecoin still. All right. So for the past month, okay, for the past month, Litecoin is up $25 and some change. Okay, and that really just happened. Starting today, that happened today. Yesterday, which was the 29th, it was around 60. We'll just say $60. Okay, but now it's up almost like $70. So let's go to let me see here for a second. Let's go to the calculator, okay? Just say you owned 20 shares within Litecoin. Just say you own 20 Litecoins, okay? And each share costed you, I would say you came in around, let's say you came in around $30. Okay, so it will cost you $600 for 20 shares. Okay, $600. Now you got 20 shares within Litecoin. Over the past month, Litecoin has went up $25. So basically, you would just take the 20 shares times $25. So in 1 month, you would have made almost all of your money back just in 1 month. And you're not doing anything but just letting your money sit there. You're just letting your money sit there and grow itself. Or shall I say, you're letting your money make money for you. That's all you're doing, people. It's that simple. It's really that simple. I've had this small amount of money that I have in here, I want to say for over a year now. I don't touch it. I just like to watch it. I just like to watch it go up, and I like to watch it go down. And I want to see what happens when the market crashes or retrace itself or correct itself, whichever term you would like to use. I just want to see what happens, which is basically the ultimate reason why I'm not taking the funds out. I don't really do any trading, like day trading or swing trading. I don't do that anymore. I just pretty much I take my money and I invest it all into cryptos, and I hold it on a ledger, which is a hard drive that is not connected to the internet, because there's so much and so many things that's going on in the crypto community. But basically, I just want to give you guys a quick video of an outlook on what I think and what I believe. And like I said, it's really good. Either or. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Either or. I just feel like the world is pushing more toward a digital currency, and kind of, so I'm not gonna say they're getting away from the traditional, but I really feel like everybody's pulling more toward a traditional, like one world type currency. And I don't mean one currency, which is like Litecoin, for instance, is going to rule the world, or everybody's going to just use Litecoin. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm saying is, I believe that we are shifting from here, which is traditional stocks, to here, which is cryptocurrencies. They're being listed all across the world. Banks are jumping in. Different businesses are jumping in. The government is talking about it. Facebook wants to create. Facebook has its own cryptocurrency. It's plain as daylight, people. It's plain as daylight. So I just wanted to show you guys, my thoughts and everything. And I hope you liked the video. And please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel and share if you will. Share if you think someone needs to know this information that I've given you guys today. And I'll see you soon in another video. Have a good evening. Bye.